Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for every occasion. In today's video, we're featuring a must-have item for anyone looking to create the perfect Dia de los Muertos altar. If you're planning a celebration for this beautiful Mexican holiday, the 20 Frontales Pack Altar de Ofrendas Supplies Kit is the best decoration to bring your altar to life. This vibrant set of papel picado sheets will instantly elevate the atmosphere of your celebration. Made by Mexican artisans in Puebla, the heart of papel picado creation, these colorful tissue paper sheets are a true testament to the tradition of Dia de los Muertos. The pack includes 20 panels, each measuring 14 by 9 inches, with 10 different panel designs. The intricate patterns are perfect for adorning your altar, as well as for general party decorations, whether you're celebrating a wedding, birthday, or Mexican fiesta. When you think about Dia de los Muertos, you think of vibrant colors, and this set has just that. With shades of blue, purple, red, pink, yellow, orange, green, and teal, these panels will light up your altar and add a festive touch to any space. Each sheet is carefully crafted to embody the traditional beauty of Mexican culture, making them perfect for the occasion. Even though the panels don't come pre-strung, it's easy to attach them to a string or hang them wherever you need to. Whether you're looking to decorate your home for a Dia de los Muertos altar or want to add flair to your party, these papel picado sheets are ideal. They're not just for the holiday. Their versatility also makes them great for Cinco de Mayo, weddings, anniversaries, and quinceañeras. The colors and designs will certainly impress your guests and help set the mood for a memorable celebration. So if you're searching for the best Dia de los Muertos altar decorations, this 20 Frontales Pack Altar de Ofrendas Supplies Kit is a perfect choice. With its beautiful craftsmanship, traditional designs, and bright colors, it will surely be the highlight of your celebration. Don't miss out on this incredible product to make your altar more beautiful than ever. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. We'll see you next time with more amazing products.